an emotional moment. I would request all my students to put the microphone on and give a hearty applause to Mahesh.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks, madam. Good job. Well
Good
done.
job.
Congratulations.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks. Thank you very much. Be
Congratulations.
happy. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Just 1 second. Hold on. Now I will block all the microphones. I'll mute all of them. And only you, Mahesh, put your mic on. Where are you, Mahesh? Mahesh, my champion.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, hallelujah. Come.
Okay.
All right. So you tell me, because we had a very emotional conversation also and very touching. But okay, that is between you and me. But still, you share your experience with Ambrish Quick Patente. So
Yeah.
it's all yours.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much. Maybe I'm really happy today. To express my feelings as well as like the D-Day, I would say. Yeah. So actually, I arrived in Italy last year. Maybe exactly it is 1 year for me. And also I was driving basically on an international driving license. As you know, that's valid only for 1 year. So, but still, my uh, journey with Ambrish Patente, it was like I was just taking one of my friend here whom I met in Italy. Generally, we were actually driving. So at that point of time, I never knew that this guy was actually part of this Ambrish Patente. We were just having a conversation, and he was asking me, "So how are you driving? Do you have a license?" So then I told, "I'm driving on an international driving license. I'm planning to study. So till now, I really don't know how what people say it's like very difficult how to learn in Italian language." Then he immediately suggested me, he was Harshit. So he immediately suggested me that so there is one professor called Ambrish. So why don't you join, and at least you can take 2 to 3 lessons and then maybe decide. So I just joined 2 classes, trial classes, and immediately confirmed that so I will be part of this team. So I was really very much impressed by the way so how actually the classes are done. In the past, I also had a different classes that is personally for me for a personal training as well as education. So for the language, it was the first time for me this kind of an experience because in the past I also learned Chinese when I was in China. So I also had a teacher, but so much passionate, and then it's like he was always selling that how to train your brain. So generally these kind of classes, it was first experience for me. So in fact, even though I started early.
Your Chinese master was a brain trainer also.
Yeah. So but there I had a language issue. So their English, as you know, it was not up to the mark. So but the way you were teaching me, it was really great for me. I learned a lot. Unfortunately, I didn't had so much time to attend all the classes, and also in my busy schedule traveling on my business, so I was not able to continue the classes in a uh, like continuously, so that my dates actually were taken very late. And till yesterday, so I was still doing like 3 errors or 4 errors. So then maybe there was one message from Amrish saying that, so it was a very strong message, but it was like impacted me. So it clearly told me that you must aim at 0 errors. We cannot afford now. I think this was an impact for me. Immediately I sat for 20 minutes. So it was zero for me. So sometimes you need this push, yeah, whenever you want to succeed something. So that is what I like in Ambrish. And today morning also we had a discussion. So we did SCADA. Out of 30, it was 0 error. So it is only because of him and his passion. So because everybody are capable and everybody can do. If somebody is there behind you who can motivate you and who can support you, and every time sending motivational message, how is it going? So nobody will care for you. He always told me that I care for you. I care for you. So this is a kind of motivation that everybody needs in life. Yeah. So if you want to succeed anything, so today it could be this one. So tomorrow it could be something else. If somebody is there behind you who is motivating, who is giving this information, definitely. So sky is the limit, I would say. So I'm very happy to share that today I got my theory passed, I'm also waiting for now the driving lessons. Definitely 4 days before I will come to you. And also I'm continuing with the Italian classes. So as I have some good plans to stay here for many years, so I will also be master of that, and also I'll be able to take some certificates there also. So I would wish everybody that yes, you will definitely get your theory passed within time. But whatever the mantra he says that 7 SCADAs per day, you have to actually follow it judiciously. So if you do that, definitely you'll be out within like the time frame what he was telling. So with this, so I want to thank you very much. And today I was too emotional. I sent a message, but the words were not coming out. Yeah.
Yeah, we felt that. Thank you very much. Very well said, very nicely explained. And I think all of us felt it in our heart how you're feeling right now. You shared it very good with all of us with very simple words. Sometimes emotions don't need a lot of words. It's enough what we say. Sometimes even without saying, you say a lot. Thanks a lot, Mahesh. I appreciate your whatever you've said. It really has motivated all of us. We need that. All the best, and give my regards to your sweet daughter and your family. Okay, I'm very
Yeah.
good,
Yeah.
very happy for you. Thank you.
Thank you. All the
All right.
best. Thanks.